Congratulations and thank you for signing up to the WOMF free business trial. Now, it's important that you understand how the advertising works for WOMF. Now, as part of the trial, and every ad that you set up has either a text ad or an image version of the ad. So the text ad is automatically pre-populated from your entry when you first started with your business name and your phone number in the actual ad itself. So the best thing to do now is to update that with some real information. So make sure you put your whole business name in there, or it could be a statement or a slogan or something like that. So you might also want to populate this with some better text other than just your phone number. So obviously you'll need to make it a lot better than that. Now, put your company name in the link text. That's just something for the code to make sure that Google can pick up the text a little bit better. Now you can center it, which is there, or default it to the left, centered. You can see how the ad adjusts when you change. Now, instead of if you don't have a website, you can allocate the click to go straight to your email, but it's great if you can have a website, then you can click, monitor the clicks that go through to that. So make sure you have your correct web address inside of there with the HTTP column, like the full address. So that may not be your home page, it might be a sub page, for example, in your advertising. Now the search tags are really powerful. So as people search for different keywords and phrases within WOMF, then your keywords will get picked up as part of those searches and you will appear as a result of those searches. And this is obviously the most important one of all, the actual category where your ad is listed. So this example business is an architect, so we're listed in the architect's category. So we save that, and if we go to the public area of the site now, let me just go to the home page. So there's two ways that people can find your ad. One is to browse the categories. So we've got all these categories here: themes, professional services. Here's the architects category, and here's our ad. A little bit silly, but just for show purposes. Anyway, say someone's just searches for renovations. So I'm just going to do a search for renovations. Now, see, my ad appears as well. Now, how does that happen? You've created a key term for your ad of renovations, and your ad will appear. So it becomes very, very powerful. Now, the other important thing you can do with your ad is turn it into an image ad. So to get a lot more exposure, get your brand out there, get your logo. So to create an ad, or to add an ad, it's a 140 pixel by 140 pixel image. I've already uploaded one, but it's a simple case of just, here's my sample, and it will add to there, and it's ready to go. So I can save that now, and when I browse, instead of it being a text ad, it will be an image ad. So there you go. But if you don't feel confident in creating your own little graphic there, please click on this link here, and this launches your mail program, and it tells WOMF, it asks WOMF to just create a graphical ad. We'll create one for you as part of the trial, and we'll add it to the system. So there we go. So the region is Toowoomba, my username, my website. Please provide us with the details you'd like included, etc. So that gets emailed through to our ad creation team and gets added to the site. So That's basically advertising. The other important thing about advertising is how you manage it and monitor the performance of your ad. Now, as the popularity of particular areas and regions grow, more statistics will be available here. Now, the stats don't automatically update as soon as this is clicked, so there's a bit of a time delay, hence why there's no campaign data in this area. But if I want to edit my ad details in the business area, so I've clicked on business up here, and then I've clicked on my ad campaigns tab, and then I click on the blue edit button. This takes me through to this particular ad that's running. You can see it's got a start date and a finish date, a duration of 2 months, and because it was part of the free trial, the price was $0. The view to clicks, it has been viewed 6 times, and it's in the category of architects. So if I want to edit that, this is where we were before. Simple case of just changing the information, uploading a new image if you need an image, changing your search tags, and changing your categories. So that's WOMF advertising.